Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of gardening accessories with a focus on convenience and durability. If you're tired of struggling to move heavy pots around your garden or home, stay tuned because we've got the solution for you. Introducing the 2-pack 16 heavy-duty plant dolly with wheels by FLRISNTIG. This isn't just any ordinary plant dolly. It's the best rolling planter base available in the market today. Crafted from high-quality carbon steel with a matte painted finish, this plant dolly is not only sturdy and durable but also waterproof and rust-proof, ensuring it stands the test of time against the elements. Assembly is a breeze, requiring just a few simple steps. Even if you're not the handiest person, you'll have this plant dolly up and running in minutes. Now, let's talk about maneuverability. Equipped with 5 360-degree rubber casters, including 2 lockable ones, this plant dolly glides smoothly on any surface, be it carpet, soil, or lawn, without getting stuck or sliding. Whether you're rearranging your indoor garden or moving heavy pots around your patio, you'll appreciate the ease and efficiency of these lockable caster wheels. The tray itself is designed to accommodate pots with a base diameter of 10 to 15 inches and can hold up to an impressive 320 pounds. Plus, with a depth of approximately 1.8 inches and no drainage holes, it effectively prevents any overflow from wetting your floors. From living rooms to balconies, patios to gardens, this versatile plant dolly is suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Whether you're moving heavy plants, large potted trees, or even trash cans, this rolling planter base has got you covered. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to backaches and hello to effortless plant mobility, look no further than the 2-pack 16 heavy-duty plant dolly with wheels by FLRISNTIG. It's not just a plant dolly, it's a game-changer for any gardening enthusiast. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews on the latest and greatest products. Until next time, happy gardening!